Hey everyone, my name is Rais and I'm from My PC Man. Today I'm gonna answering question how do I manage incrementality when running ads for banded keywords. So you might be wondering who is this brown kid is talking about these PPC terms. So in last 7 days I helped this brand by spending $2,300 in ad spend, generate almost $10,000 in sale, and in last 30 days by spending almost $11,000 in Amazon ad spend, I have helped them generate 37,000 in sales. And recently, we expanded this product in Walmart marketplace because we don't wanna put all of our eggs in one basket. So these kind of results I have brought for this brand. So this first campaign is actually created by client. He was working with Amazon representative, so they actually created this campaign which spent $2,300 in ad spend and generated $600 in sales. But when I came in 19th August with $20 uh, ad budget, by spending $60, we got $400 in sale, and in this campaign by spending $40, we have generated $200 in sales, and you can see the ROAS. So I know what I'm talking about, so let's go over it. First of all, understand incrementality. Incrementality is about measuring whether your ads are creating new sales, also known as new to brand sales, or simply capturing sales that would have happened organically. It's like sending out invites for a party and trying to figure out if the extra guest came because of the invite or if they were planning to show up anyway. So actually, in order to increase branded keywords visibility, yes, you need to defend your brand. However, you can when you see like you are getting high search volume on that specific keyword, you can lower down your bid on those keywords, so you are not actually spending a lot of money on that. Or if you do not have much competition on your branded terms, you can decrease some budget from it, but never totally forget about it. You must need to spend some amount of money for your branded keywords. Look at the second point is look at total sales growth versus ad sales. To understand incrementality, start by analyzing total sales growth, not just sales from ads. If both total sales and ad sales are growing, you are likely seeing true incrementality. If ad sales are increasing but total sales remain stagnant, this suggests cannibalization, meaning your ads are just shifting sales from organic listing. Absolutely. So that means if your ad sales are increasing but total sales remain stagnant, that means your organic sales are you are not actually getting any organic sales. People are not searching uh, organically, and your brand is not growing, and you are like just getting sales by paying Amazon. I- If what is cannibalization? If ad sales grow but overall sales do not, this signals cannibalization. So if your brand is not growing organically, that means you are only like doing pay to play. You are um, paying money for every single sale. Essentially, the ads may not bringing in incremental business, but simply pulling in customers who would have purchased organically. So if a customer is searching with, for example, your brand is Tremo, okay, if you are not growing your market share or new to brand uh, ads are not coming from this term, that means your ads are not converting. and you are not showing up on the right audience and you are wasting money. This common issue when ads are not strategically targeted or are too aggressive in the way they appear to potential customer. So it is actually depend on your strategy. It is not like you saw my video or any other video and you implement those strategies. You need to be create a strategy what amount of budget you should give these kind of campaigns and how you wanna grow it. And the third thing is macro view, assessing overall impact. Macro view, by looking at overall brand performance, assess how your ads are affecting your brand's total reach and whether they were contributing to growth or just shifting sales around. Example, Johnny checked the search volume for Clean Right, his brand, and saw that if people were searching for the brand without ads, it meant the brand was growing on its own. But if searches increased only when ads were running, it showed the ads were taking away from organic traffic. So thus, in simple way, if a customer is searching for clean right products and um, people who are who like this brand, they will eventually gonna buy it from him. But if they see like they click on clean right brand, okay, they search for this keyword on Amazon search result page and they do not see any of their products. So what they will do, they will buy someone else's brand's product. That means you do not have enough credibility that customers should look more further for your brand, and that way you are actually losing your customer. But in the second case, if a customer is looking for brand right keyword and they do not actually buy your brand, buy your product after clicking on the product, that means your product listing have a problem or there is something which actually made them to fall off. So these things are actually depend on your strategy, how well you strategize your Amazon PPC strategy to make sure you are increasing the sales every single month. Make adjustment based on performance. Once you have assessed the impact of your ads, it's time to make adjustments. If you see cannibalization, tweak your bids or adjust your ad strategy to prevent harming your organic growth. Carefully test and monitor the changes to see how they affect your sales. So I think it's self-explanatory. You always need to test, and you have data from Amazon, or you can utilize different tools as well in order to make adjustments and make sure you are not target on one keyword uh, in in different campaigns. Okay. Yes, you can use different mesh types. For example, you can target clean right in exact prod and phrase match, and which will perform better. You can um, increase budget on that specific keyword based on performance. So, conclusion, to manage incrementality for branded keyword ads, it's crucial to understand whether your ads are creating new sales. So this is really important, or simply diverting traffic from organic listing. So if a customer is searching for your brand, okay, and you are not getting conversion, and your ads are not, your products are not showing up on your branded term, that means you need to invest money in order to get sales. But if customer is looking for your using your branded keyword and they see your product, brand's product, they will eventually buy it. So the point is you can decrease spend on these keywords. By analyzing total sales, comparing ad sales, and adjusting your strategy based on what you observe, you can ensure your ads are truly adding value. So it happens when you actually have some sort of credibility there. However, if you are just starting out, do not do this because it will hurt your brand. It is highly specific for the brands who are wanna go after incrementality in their branded keywords. And if you need help with that to strategize whether you need to implement this on your brand or not, you can always book a call, link in the description and pin comment, and let's chat. Have a great day.